If you like playing with your food as much as we do, then get ready to have some fun. We're going to share our favorite yummy food hacks to make your summer silly and delicious. New to Crafty Hackers? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and give this video a big thumbs up. Now back to our yummy food hacks for kids. Here we go! Pear Hedgehog. You can make a cute little creature with some grapes and a pear. Here's how. Cut a line around the middle of the pear. Carefully peel it from the center to the top. Cut the stem off. Now grab a handful of grapes. Push a toothpick through the center of each grape like this. When you've got a good amount, start sticking the grapes to the bottom half of your pear. You'll want to make a few rows with around 6 grapes in each row. Now for the nose. Just push a raisin onto the remaining stem. Use a toothpick to paint on the eyes with Nutella spread. Who said healthy food has to be dull? That's one happy hedgehog. Rainbow Popsicle. Summer is coming. Are you ready to cool down with some colorful treats? So are we. Get a bottle of Sprite and some rainbow candy strips. Grab your popsicle containers. Place a rainbow candy strip inside each popsicle container. Pour Sprite over the candy and put the tops on the containers. Freeze for a few hours. When you pull them out, you'll see the rainbow candy through the clear soda. Delicious and so colorful. Chocolate kiwi. Having a summer party? Treat your guests to these yummy snacks. Grab a kiwi and cut the ends off. Then you'll want to peel the kiwi. Cut it into wide slices. Line a plate with wax paper and grab some coffee stirring sticks. Push the stick through the middle of the kiwi. Next, melt a bar of your favorite chocolate. Don't forget the sprinkles. Now dip the kiwi into the chocolate, turning it to coat the entire piece. Add your sprinkles and repeat with the remaining kiwi slices. Get ready to enjoy these delicious goodies with your friends. Kat Cupcake. Looking to make an unconventional cupcake that requires no baking? Look no further. Get a pre-made chocolate muffin, a couple of Kit Kat bars, a bag of M&Ms, and some Nutella. Peel the paper off your muffin and cut the top off. Carefully cut off the sides of your muffin top too. Spread Nutella on the outside of your muffin. Next, you're going to stick the pieces of your Kit Kat bar to the outside of the muffin. Tie a decorative ribbon around it to keep the candy in place. And add your M&Ms to the top. Enjoy the most delicious candy cupcake ever. Lowcost Juicer. Want to make orange juice but don't have a juicer? We've got a hack for that. All you need is a large water bottle and a smaller soda bottle. Cut the large water bottle in half, then use a heated needle to puncture holes in the top half of the bottle. Use the heated needle again to make holes in the smaller bottle too. Put the small bottle inside the larger bottle and line up the holes. Put a skewer stick through the holes. Do the same for the other holes. You should have 2 skewers going through your juicer. Put the mouth of the bottles over your glass. Then, grab your orange. Press your half orange over the bottle of your small bottle and watch the juice trickle down into your glass. It takes a little bit of muscle, but the fresh squeezed juice is worth it. Cheers! Mouse sandwich. Here's a fun way to make a sandwich. Just grab some sliced cheese, a couple of hard-boiled eggs, some lunch meat, and vegetables. Slice your radishes. Then cut little slits into your hard-boiled eggs to make a spot for your radishes to slide in for the ears. Make the face with rosemary stems, seeds, or capers. Put a couple slices of cheese on a piece of bread and put your mouse on top. Now that's a cute sandwich. Owl sandwich. Here's another fun idea. Using the same ingredients, you can make an owl in your sandwich. First, slice an olive. Slice a piece in half, then slice a carrot and cut it into a triangle shape for the beak. Put a slice of cheese on a piece of bread and add a hard-boiled egg that has been cut in half as the eyes of your owl. Use the olive slices as centers of the eyes. Add halved cucumber slices for the wings. Use the halved olive slice for the feet and carrot for the beak. Who wouldn't love this delicious sandwich? We hope you enjoyed part 1 of these yummy food hacks. Please leave a comment below or answer the survey by clicking on the top right corner. Be sure to subscribe to see our changes. Thanks for watching, Crafty Hackers. See you around.